Alright, now in this video we'll see some more buttons function like set constant and increment and decrement functions in the HMI. Now set constant means if you want to just put the constant value in some data register on the timer. So let's see an example. Let's see that in D9 we want to put some constant value. So suppose you have a PLC logic like that, and I want two buttons which will turn on Y0 and Y2 by moving a constant in D9. Okay, so let's take Y1 and Y4. Okay, the constant is K1 and K4 to turn on Y1 and Y4. So we'll go to element in buttons, set constant, take two buttons, and I can write here text Y1 because this is going to turn on my Y1. So I'm writing here Y1, and I need another button of similar type. I'll do the copy paste, and I can actually adjust that here. You can increase and decrease the size by selecting the edges, and this will be my Y4. Now where to put the constant? This is Y1. If you double click this one, you'll have a value. This is the value, constant value. You can put here Y1 is for 1 and press enter. This is for 4, press enter. Now the address, this will go into D9. The value constant goes into this address, this one as well, in D9. Then only it will make sense, because if D9 is 1, this is a constant 1, then this will be on. If D9 is 4, this will be on. Now we need not to have this lamp 1 here, and this is the status. If you want a feedback, I'm changing this to D9. It's already changed to D9 to give the status. This was the set constant. Okay, we also have increment and decrement value, so that we can take from, let me just take it in this HMI only. Okay, from button, this is the increment. Here I can write plus sign. Okay, I can give, this is increment, and I can go to buttons. I can take one decrement as well. Okay, here I'll take a minus sign. Alright, I hope that makes sense. An increment, just to make it more impressive, I'm giving it a green color, and decrement I'm giving a red color. Alright, let me make this to white. This was good enough. This is constant Y1 and this is for Y4. I can give a new color, white color, to that. Now let's try this logic. Oops, I forgot to give the address. This increment is going to increment D9, and decrement is going to decrement the D9 again. Alright, so let's download the screen and let's see the results in our HMI. Increment, you understand, increment is +1, decrement is -1 of the value which is already inside the data register. Now right now if you see the PLC program alongwise, Y2 is on because constant is set at 2 by default by the last program. So if I press this one, this has moved 1. This is the set constant, that's why Y1 is on. If I press this will move 4 and Y4 is on. And if I press minus in this case, because this is going to decrement this value, so if I press minus, this will go to Y3 because this Y3 is on. Y3 is on because value has been decremented to 3, K3. If I press minus again, this will move to Y2, then Y1, then Y0. If I put minus again, nothing will happen because this is 0 value. This is going to increment, turn on the outputs one after the other. This is going to turn off the output. And these are the constant for quickly move to Y4 and Y1. So you can have quick jumps by this set constant and increment and decrement function by this increment and decrement buttons on the screen. Alright, so this was about using the set constant. These are the set constant and increment and decrement function of HMI. You can use that in another ways as well. This was just an example to show you how we can use this all together using this PLC logic. Alright, let's do some more screen functions in the next video. Thank you.